Yo, you are not serious right now. Student driver, for real. Take your ass back to the fucking training course, my nigga. It just feel like he getting slower and slower bro, these niggas gotta be trolling, bro. He's still on the fucking brakes the whole exit. Oh my fucking god, bro. Oh, you're not serious, bro. It's a fucking merge lane, you fucking stupid bitch. You, my friend, are a fucking retard.